Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily disable or enable screenshots on your Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys can try is clicking OK first and going into settings. Here, go to system and now go almost at the bottom to screenshots. Now the screenshots are enabled, and if you want to disable them, simply click OK. Now if you want it enabled, then click OK. And to take the screenshots, what you guys need to do is hold the up button and the OK button at the same time. As you guys can see, the screenshot now has been taken. And this would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.